This is me again, Mark, and I would like to show you one of the penthouse here in the Mandalay Residences, Busay. We are selling actually two penthouse, but the other penthouse that is available right now is the owner is inside, so we're just respecting the privacy. So we'll just show you the penthouse, and the other penthouse has been already it's sold. This one, so it's sold, and we have. On this building, we have 3 elevators, passengers elevators, and we are at the 21st floor of Lemenda Residences, Busay. And this is the penthouse that we are going to check in this video. And this is around 123 square meters, and we are selling this for only 26.7 million pesos. And as you can see, we have mess around like the furnitures because we are setting up the unit and we are going to deliver this one furnished. You have your kitchen, dining and bedroom furnitures when you are going to buy this unit. And most probably the unit view is facing on the mountain side of Busay, and this is a 2-bedroom penthouse with 2 toilet and bathroom and with 1 parking inclusion. And I will just give you an idea about Lemenda Residences, Busay. We have on this project we have 21st story building, and we have 5 basement parkings on the ground floor. We have the commercials and the lobby, the receiving of the hotel, the Hyatt, and I want to bring you here the first bedroom of the penthouse. As you can see, it's furnished with bed, aircon, mirrors, sliding for the closet, and it's soundproof. And we have this wall accent here which is studded. And the bathroom of this unit is outside, that we can consider this as a common toilet and bathroom here outside of the unit. And here is the shower and CR of the unit. And for the location of this project is in Busay, Neville Hills, the Lemenda. This is the first project of the developer, which is Vesta Homes Commercial Incorporated. And we have the other projects ongoing, the Neville Hills, Lemenda Neville Hills, and we are ongoing for the processing of the license to sell for the Lemenda in Uptown. And since this is the first project, as you can see, we have the developer, they meticulously put these designs to give you in unelevated living in a condo. And we have this kitchen right here. So as I told you, we are still ongoing on setting up the unit. That's why the things are still not in order. And we have this kitchen. It's spacious kitchen, and it's equipped with cooktop, electric cooktop, and range hood and lavatory, and more of this cabinetry. And the good thing with the developer is one of their signature is delivery unit furnished, and all of the things that we can see here, they are also manufacturing the products. Like this one, the lighting set, they are the one who is doing this. They have branch in Luluan that you can see for their showroom, and they are the one who's setting up everything here. And let's go to this is the main bedroom of the penthouse, and the main bedroom with very large shower, toilet and bathroom is here. And the same as to the first bedroom, this master's bedroom comes with aircon and padded wall and queen size bed. And you have the the fixed wall furniture here that you can put your TV. And coming from this bedroom, there is this sliding door going to the sky garden, because this penthouse has a sky garden. Most of the units here does balcony, but since we are now on a penthouse level, which is the 21st floor, the 3 penthouses here have with this large sky garden. And the developer, they put the plant box so that you can fill this out with land, and you can put plants on it. And this penthouse is facing on the mountain side of Busay, and unfortunately right now we have this bad weather and still the rain is pouring down, and we cannot see the nice view of the mountain. But this sky garden is really huge, and I think you can put something right here, maybe a dining table, and maybe right there you can put your washing or something, because there's a provision for the water. And maybe right here you can put sitting arrangements or something like tables, and you can use it dining for dining, or I don't know what you can just do this one. But one thing that I can tell you, this is really huge sky garden. And since we are talking about the penthouse, the other penthouse, which is really big, it's about 300 square meters, which is that one, the other penthouse. And it's really nice, the view of the penthouse, if you're really looking for the view of the city, the view of the mountain, and the view of the water, like body of water in somewhere in the east side, the east side of Cebu. You can see that area, but the penthouse actually is owned by the CEO of the developer, which is the Sounds Incorporated. And he is open to sell the penthouse. If someone is really interested to check the penthouse, which he owns, we can do that. However, right now, we cannot make some arrangement for the viewing inside that penthouse, because the owner is now there, and maybe we're not able to put or schedule ahead the viewing. So we're just showing you this one, and this one is worth 26.7 million. And again, it's furnished penthouse, and quality finished penthouse, and first development of the Vesta Homes here in Cebu. As we all know, most of us doesn't know Vesta Homes exist here in Cebu, but they are exist in Australia for a long time already. And you can, for the reference, you can search their projects in Australia, and maybe you can also try to check the quality that they are putting in this project, because I can really say this is one of the condo project here in Cebu that offers this kind of development, delivering you a finished unit. Because if you are going to buy somewhere like the other developer, you'll be the one to buy this one. So these are all freebies if you are going to complete the computations. So that's it. So we just visited this beautiful penthouse with parking and furnished penthouse located on the 21st floor of this building. And this is your living area. I forgot to show you your living area. As the same as to the bedrooms, you have this split type aircon for your living area. And we are on the 27th floor. Your parking will be on the below, because we have 5 basement parking. And on the ground floor, we have the convenience store there, which is already operating, and the lobby for the Hyatt Sky Tower, and the high-end, I can say maybe high-end restaurant on the ground floor. And on the second floor and the third floor, we have 2 levels for the offices and function halls. And later on, after this one, we will just go to the 8th floor, because our amenities on this building is located on the 8th floor. We have swimming pool there, we can check it. But the gym is located on the 2nd floor, and maybe I will show you the gym after the 8th floor. So if you are really interested with the penthouse, because I can say from my own experience that this one is a nice catch, nice buy, because it's already 123 square meters and it's only 26.7 million fixed, and fixed with this beautiful interior. So you don't have to worry about how to interior your unit, like the kitchen, the sitting up, the kitchen or the sit up of your living area, because everything has been done by the developer upon turnover. So I think later or maybe on the other day, if we can do the schedule of the penthouse, which is the one that I really like, the one that it's more than 300 square meters, and it's very cheap because it's less than 100 million. So be with me because we will do that, and hopefully you will be liking it. So we will go to the 8th floor, which the swimming pool is located. We will go there and we will check the pool, and later on the gym. And it's very lucky because normally if the weather is good, like unlike today, it's raining, mostly there are people swimming in this 8th floor swimming pool of the Lamenda. And luckily now we are doing this video without someone, so we are free to do the video. So this is the 8th floor amenities of the Lamenda. We have this swimming pool, infinity pool, and the view of those Cebu City. You can see from here the CCLX, the city, and the South Road properties. And we have these sitting lounges. And this is the swimming pool of Lamenda Busay. And I really like it. We are on the 8th floor, and the penthouse is located on that side, on the 21st floor of this building. And this is it. So I will go now to the 2nd floor, and I will show you the gym of this Lamenda. This is infinity pool, and we have also kids pool, which is here. This is the kids pool, and below is the pump room for the utility area. We have this dressing room, and we have this outdoor shower, and this is the kids pool, and this is the amenities of Lamenda Busay, 8th floor. And we will go now to the we are now on the 2nd floor of this Lamenda residences, and as I told you, I'm going to bring you on this beautiful gym, well-equipped gym. All of the materials and all of the equipments on this gym are all brand new. Actually, it smells like brand new because this is really brand new, and it's a really big, spacious gym, and with openings for the natural airflow will come out and things. And we have the 2 split type aircon on this gym. As you can see, look at the equipments that we have, that the Lamenda having on this gym. And this is the 2nd floor of the tower, and on the 2nd floor we can find one of the amenities is the gym, and the other one is the function, which is that one. One of the function of the Lamenda, the other function is located on the other side. And the rest are all offices. The property management office is located on this floor level. And after this, I will show you the lobby of Lamenda Residences Busay. And this is it. This is the gym of Lamenda. And this is the gym that maybe you can picture yourself how working on this gym. So let's go now to the lobby.